Hi you guys, Samara Riviera here. I'm in New York City, I'm in Queens. I'm headed home January, it's already February 1st. This is one of several New York City snowstorms that we've been having this year. And it's 6 in the morning. I'm coming from the set of Arthur, the movie with Russell Brand. We were shooting all night, overnight, and we just got released. I'm really tired. We were on set for 10 hours. And I came out, and as you can see, it's snowing, and it's actually starting to rain. What's happening right now is mainly rain, and you can see all the snow and everything. So I just wanted to give you a little update of what's going on here in New York City, February 1st, 2011. Check out my neighborhood. People are still getting up, going to work, to school, and everything. But I'm gonna make it after all.